by yourself. All by yourself. There you go. Okay, you ready? I'll help you a little bit. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. That wasn't very hard, was it? Did you get your arm stuck? Okay, get that arm out. There you go, honey. There. Put your arms in front, honey. Put your arms... turn this way so you can see the camera. There. Is that better? Yeah. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Look at you. Look at you. There you go. Wowee. Hi. There you go. You're doing it, Henry. You're doing it. Yeah. Okay. You want to turn back over? Come on. Yay. That was great. That was great, honey. Oh, yeah. Did you like that? You want to try it the other way? Let's try it the other way. Ready? We'll try it this way. Wow! Whoa! That was way better. You did that all by yourself. That was fantastic. Good job. Oh, yay. That side's a little easier for you. Let's try that again. You want to try that again? Okay, let's turn your back. Yeah. Try it one more time. You go this way. Go this way. Go ahead. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Whoa! Did you get your arms stuck under you? Can you get them out? Do you need a little help? There you go. There you go. You did it, Henry. Good boy. Yeah. That was great. You tired? Already? Already you're tired? Now what do? Now you gotta learn to roll back. Now you gotta learn to roll back. Yeah. You'll get it. You'll get it. Okay, ready? Whee! Hello. Hello. Yeah. You gonna roll back now? Go ahead. I see you. It's hard work. I know. I know. I know. You can do it. You can do it. Keep trying. Oh, that was so close. That was so close. You want to try again? That's right. Oh. Almost. Almost got it. Try again. Ready? You are so cute. It's hard to do. It's hard work. It's hard work. I know. I know. Okay, let's show Daddy how you do patty cake. You ready? Ready? Okay, put your hands up for patty cake. You ready? Patty cake. I need this one. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. You roll it and pat it and mark it with a B and put it in the oven for Henry and me. Yay! Yay! Oh, you want to try to turn that way again? Can you do it? This way's harder for you. I see you over there. I see you. Whoa, hard work. It's hard work. You want to try it this way? You want to try it this way?